Another thing we hope you stop in to see here at the History Center are these fabulous wedding dresses. And to be able, for those of you who are interested in sewing or are seamstresses in general, if you are a courtier dressmaker, it's really lovely to see all of the things. For those of you who understand why these flower petals are such a big deal, because they are, you know, there's a process to make these, and there was a stamping machine, and these were made one at a time. So there's a whole history of things that you might like about just how these fabrics were made. You know, you also have to think about the time in which these were made. So, you know, to have this, this was also called a burnout. So there's lots, for those of you who like history in general and fabric and so forth, that they have them here. That were donated from people who were actually from this town who wore them, and the lace and the, you know, everything is still kind of intact, so you get to see who did that. And so that's another thing I hope you stop in to see when you're here, because it's really interesting, and there's even some more over here. Have fun.